Racing just is started with Archer Queen. Very quick letter start. Then rushing upon the yards, that is nothing. But the truth, the real flames comes next. Regal Baby Sing comes Scarlet. Getting the wide strip as they make their first turn. Then comes Masumax. While Luyang Cave is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch wheel, by the length, the real flames now moving up down on the inside. Nothing but the truth is racing into the Real Baby. Rushing upon the yard side to take fourth. Then comes Archer Queen, Sing comes Scarlet. Moving up down on the inside is Luyang Cave, while Masumax now racing in less. And at the fourth turn, the lead now belongs to Real Flames. Once again, moving upon the outside, then comes nothing but the truth. Regal Baby, Archer Queen is down in fifth, and as they swing for home with moving up down to the inside is Real Flames. Keep on party right for lead. Real Flames is running by the rail, but it's still followed by Real Flames, and finally it's Real Flames, nothing but the truth. Archer Queen, Real Baby.
Okay, mga garibista, para dito sa ating race number 4, it's an upset again. Para dito, numero 5 natin na si Hehehe. Tercero lamado dyan. Natalo po nito numero 4, Real Flames. Tercero dumating numero 7, Nothing But the Truth. Yan po ating unofficial winner dito sa ating race number 4. Ating pabalikan ang replay.